Hello, AutomagzMN lovers. Have you ever imagined a car that is not only cool, but also environmentally friendly? Well, the Volvo XC40 Recharge Pure Electric 2025 is the answer. This car is a compact SUV that is 100% electric, offering incredible performance with zero emissions. The X40 Recharge features a modern and elegant design typical of Volvo. Its sleek and sporty shape makes it look so stunning on the streets. Available in a variety of attractive colors, such as Onyx Black, a classic color that always looks classy and elegant. Fjord Blue, a fresh and sporty blue color, perfect for those who want to stand out. Crystal White, a clean and minimalist white color, giving a modern and futuristic impression. Fusion Red, a bold and passionate red color, perfect for those who want to make a statement. Sage Gray, a calm and sophisticated gray color, giving a serene and classy impression. Step inside the cabin, and you will be greeted by a comfortable and sophisticated interior. The seats are made of high-quality materials and are equipped with various advanced features such as heated and power-adjustable front seats, panoramic sunroof that provides a spacious and bright feel, Harman Kardon, premium audio system with 13 speakers, intuitive touchscreen to control various car features, extraordinary performance, and environmentally friendly. The XC40 Recharge is powered by an electric motor that produces 408 GP and 660 nanometers of torque. This car can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in just 4.9 seconds. Remarkably, this car does not produce any exhaust emissions at all, making it environmentally friendly. The XC40 Recharge is equipped with a 78 kW battery that can travel up to 418 kilometers on a single charge. This car also supports DC fast charging, which can charge the battery from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. Volvo is renowned for its advanced safety features. The XC40 Recharge is equipped with various safety features, such as city safety with auto brake, automatic braking system that helps avoid collisions with other vehicles, Pilot Assist, driver assistance system that helps keep the car in lane and follow the speed of the vehicle in front. Blind Spot, Information System, BILIS, system that helps detect vehicles in the blind spot area. The Volvo XC40 Recharge Pure Electric 2025 is the perfect car for those who want a car that is cool, powerful, environmentally friendly, and equipped with various advanced features. This car is proof that the future of cars is already here. Interested in owning a Volvo XC40 Recharge Pure Electric 2025? Visit your nearest Volvo dealer for more information. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting videos about the latest cars. See you in the next video.